everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm spending my morning, or actually it's kind of afternoon now, taking some photos and just kind of going for a long walk. It's kind of a beautiful area that I'm in. The train is going by. I just thought I would let that go by before I carried on talking. But yeah, I'm on my way to Balcombe Viaduct. There are a couple of ways to get there. On foot and driving. No, actually on foot. Hiking routes, but I think I'm going to try and get the most direct route. If I happen to bump into someone and they tell me, no, let's go this way, or actually no, I won't let someone sway me. I guess part of me wanted to do the long hike, but another part of me is like, actually I really want to make sure I just kind of accomplish the task that I came to accomplish today, which is, you know, taking those photos under the viaduct. So I'm going to try and take that direct route. It's like a 40-minute walk there, which is fine for me because I usually walk quite a lot in one day. Yeah, come along with me and let's go and check out the train.
Does not stop here. Please stand
yeah, this is the train coming. It's on this platform, the one that's coming. Alright guys, please do make sure you give this video a thumbs up so that I know that you like it, and I will see you later. It's kind of scary how fast on approach they are, especially when they're not stopping. You don't realize that when they stop at the station. But yeah, super fast. Oh, and I'm just putting my things together. I just changed my shoes. I had these shoes on, but now I'm going to be doing that long walk. I'm going to be putting on my walking shoes. I'll show you them. So these are my walking shoes. I got them from Sports Direct, from the men's section, because I don't know, the women's ones were just like not that nice and actually more expensive, I think. So I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to the men's section and see what I can find. So I got, these are men's apparently men's, but I like them. I did walk out the house without them, but then I just thought, you know, I'm not gonna risk it. Let me just make sure I enjoy this walk as much as possible. And I just went back into the house and grabbed them. Guys, this is how big my bag is, my sports bag. But it has my tripod in it, my makeup, my hat, my water, big 2-liter bottle, my camera bag, everything, and also my shoes. So that's why I have to bring a big bag like this.
So if we step out here, we should be alright.
Taxi. Wow. I'll tell you the story later. Actually, I'll tell you the story now. So basically I got to a point in the road where it was only cars. So then I spoke to one woman along the road, and she told, well, one of the neighbors in the area, and she gave me a phone number for a taxi, and here I am in the taxi, because I don't think there's no Uber around here, is there?
There is, but they will charge you a lot.
Oh, okay.
It's out of the areas.
Yeah, so I just used the taxi number, and I'm in the taxi now. Nice views and finally some air conditioning. That's the viaduct.
You see, if I trust this address,
yeah,
then you will never come if any other drivers, if you say no. So
thank you so much.
You can just walk through here, okay?
Yeah.
You don't have to worry about it.
Perfect, no drones. Oh my, if I had known that I would have to do the taxi thing and everything, I might have just talked myself out of coming. I was saying to the driver that if I had known it was going to be this stressful, I might have kind of avoided it and gone somewhere else, and then put this trip off for a day that I, would feel confident enough to rent a car. But I'm just happy that I'm actually here. I made it. Lovely. Ouse Valley. So I'm just setting up my tripod over here. Let's see if you can see. Oh, it's very clear. There are some people there. Balcombe Viaduct. What do you think of it so far? It's really nice, really relaxing. I think everyone here is literally just relaxing. People say that the closest station is actually Haywards Heath. So next time I probably will go there. But yeah, I'm just happy I made it here in the end. As you saw, I got a taxi from the driving path from Balcombe station. So yeah, you need a car or a bike if you're going to travel from Balcombe station. Just got a bit of water up there. So you need a car if you're going to travel from Balcombe station, but if you want to do a hike, then definitely make your way to Haywards Heath, because apparently that is actually the closest town. So I'm kind of winding up now. I've got quite a few pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see them. I will be doing a few more day trips, hopefully within the next few weeks. So stay tuned for that. I could just stay here all day, literally. I caught it. Did you see that drop? I literally caught it. Yeah, there's a leak up there. I literally caught it. It looks so cool coming from up there. Yeah, my skirt is wet. So I'm just gonna move over there to the field, and then I'll probably just head back. Probably by then my battery would have run out, so yeah, it'll be time for me to go back. I haven't taken any photos in my sunglasses yet, but I think I will over there. Whether they'll look good or not, I don't know. So now guys, I am climbing over. Like, I literally just went through this little field area towards the gate. Can you see the gate? But it's got barbed wire on it, so I can't climb over. So I've just come back round, and I'm just gonna climb over this little wire here, go over there and take some pictures like in front of the fence with me facing the sun. See, here's the view from this side. And this is the fence, but as you can see, it's got barbed wire on it, so can't really get too close. I'm changing back into these now, and it feels good, these black ones here. And then I'm gonna walk across and catch a taxi back to the station. To book a taxi, but I don't even know what the address is, so I'm just gonna have to maybe ask one of the neighbors and see what they say. So I'm back chilling here because I'm waiting for the taxi to arrive. I think next time I do a day trip, I just have to rent a car. if I don't have a car. I just have to rent one. Yeah, I actually passed my test like 2 years ago. So I should have actually been getting a lot of practice in, but life happened. So yeah, I'm gonna have to rent a car because this is a bit much. And actually, there's a reservoir about 20 minutes walk away. A really nice reservoir where you can do like paddleboarding, kayaking, all kind of water sports, I think. So I'll have to try and do that next time. But for now, I am tired and I've almost run out of water. And I'm thirsty and got a bit of a headache. This is how much water I've got left. So hopefully that will be able to keep me until the taxi comes. I'm tired. Like, I've actually got a headache because of being in the sun. Yeah, because of being in the heat. So yeah, just gonna relax here for now. It's nice and cool. It's really cool. It's a good place to be with this hot weather going on. I don't have any paracetamol either, any painkillers. So I'm just gonna have to bear it. I think being in the cool will help as well though.